Well, my boys, welcome to another video. Today we are working on digit match strategy. Now, as you guys can see, we are going to start with $10 stack with our live trading robot version 1.5. Here we go, guys. Here's our bot. Let's include all things and go for trading. I'm gonna take only 10 trades using $10. You guys can see here. Now we're going to start trading. Trading has been started. Let's move on Dario official website with 10.21. The first order made us $100. The digit match strategy have a big 800% payout. The second trade made us $91. Here we go, guys. Keep watching and wait for another one trade. Here we go, guys, with $283. Made a good profit using this digit match robot. Keep watching. It will only take to trade a perfect digit match. Look here, one more trade is went in profit. We are near to $374 in positive. Now you guys can see $465 just made by this digit match bot. Bot will take time, no problem, but it will trade only when sure. Here will be a match digit. $465. $556 the bot made. Awesome. Let's wait for another trade. Oh, sorry. This trade is went in loss minus $10. The balance is back to $546. Let's wait for another trade. Another trade and the balance is went to $647 profit. One loss and other all in profit. $674. Yeah, my boys. $738 in profit made by bot. Online trading digit match strategy. Just using $10. Awesome, guys. Awesome, guys. We made us $829. One loss, all in profit, made good percent on. Awesome, guys. One more loss, and the balances went to 819. Thanks for watching. Gonna close automatically cause the 10 trades hit.